we will see how to use the index function in Excel. Basically, index function return values based on position. You can see in our dataset we have a column called employee name. If we want to see which employee is at a certain position, we can use the index function. If I type a position number, index will return the employee name at the position. First parameter is array, which means which value we actually want to extract. Then the row name, the position number. That's it. Index is a quick and powerful way to fetch values directly by their position in your dataset.